Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will delve into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by using our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of March, 2025, our system has ranked supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.82. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 28.7% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.01% to 100.65%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 56.42%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 100% to negative 44.1% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $23.56. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Strong Day for Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Friday, rising 7.8% to $42.15. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 7.8% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, rising from $39.10 to $42.15. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.53%, with a low at $38.91 and a high of $42.62. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, with an overall gain of 10.22% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 20 million more shares were traded compared to the day before, bringing the total to 64 million shares, valued at approximately $2.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $110.61, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price stands 61.89%, or $68.46, below the 52-week high, and 65.7%, or $80.75, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer Incorporated, ticker SMCI, is drawing significant attention today as it experiences a surge fueled by optimistic expectations surrounding artificial intelligence-driven growth. Following a year characterized by regulatory hurdles and substantial market volatility, the company is gaining traction and is considered to have cycled past those uncertainties. Analysts are showing renewed confidence, with a recent upgrade from JPM Chase boosting the stock's appeal. This uptick occurs amid skepticism in the broader technology sector, yet Supermicro's strong customer demand positions it favorably. Additionally, SMCI's stock is reacting positively to new partnership announcements and product innovations, including its recently launched petascale all-flash storage server powered by NVIDIA's Grace CPU superchip. This product further solidifies its competitive stance against industry leader NVIDIA, particularly after reporting an impressive 300% stock increase in the first quarter of 2024. The current upward trend in SMCI's price is likely to resonate through short-term trading, potentially lifting market sentiment and attracting new investors. Long-term impacts will depend on the company's ability to maintain this momentum amidst growing competition and market pullbacks. Overall, with analysts cycling back to optimism about SMCI's future, prospects look promising for sustained stock growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide a strong buy rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The Supermicrocomputer stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be anticipated at levels of approximately $40.35 and $41.57. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have emerged that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025. And since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 30.04%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal arising from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal emerged 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal appeared 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal appeared 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal emerged 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal was noted 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. Supermicrocomputer identifies support from accumulated volume at $40.17. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.71 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.53%. In the previous week, the stock averaged a daily volatility of 7.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate either a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates 52 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $42.65. If you currently do not own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $40.17. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. also conducted an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock options, which grant the right to buy. Additionally, on the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. sold 13,600 shares of common stock. On that day, Blair Robert L. further sold 5,860 shares of common stock. On the 27th of February, 2025, Wigan David E. made an insider purchase of 11,964 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 33.928. In total, insiders bought 5,687,057 shares and sold 2,900,162 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $40.04, representing a decline of 5%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which indicates a significant level of risk. There is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 22 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood that Supermicrocomputer stock will perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a strong sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the past trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer to open lower by 92 cents and begin trading at $41.23. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.